Can cleaning houses really make you thousands of dollars a month in the USA? In this video, let's break down exactly where the money comes from and what expenses eat into your profit.
Positive reviews can make a new business look more trustworthy, and satisfied customers may come back again. That creates a more predictable stream of revenue. But now comes the part many beginners forget: expenses. Cleaning supplies cost money. Transportation, equipment, insurance, and other business costs matter too. These expenses reduce the money left over. That's why you should track every major business expense. The goal is simple: keep useful revenue higher than your costs. Revenue minus expenses gives you your profit. Businesses may need regular cleaning for their offices, and one company can potentially become a recurring client. For example, imagine charging a customer for one cleaning visit. Your actual price depends on the property, service, and local market. Now multiply your average price by your number of jobs. More bookings generally mean more revenue. So filling your schedule becomes extremely important. But revenue is not the same as profit. You still have to perform the cleaning efficiently. Great service can also help you earn repeat customers. Can a simple cleaning business really make good money in the USA? Let's find out. The answer depends on customers, pricing, expenses, and how big the business becomes. And the opportunity can be surprisingly interesting. Imagine starting with just basic cleaning equipment and a few customers. First, you need to understand revenue. Revenue is the total money customers pay your business. Residential cleaning is one common starting point. You clean homes, apartments, or other residential spaces. Every booking adds another source of revenue. But commercial cleaning can open another opportunity. And profit is what really matters to the R. Want to increase profit? Start by increasing valuable customers. Marketing can help bring new bookings. As demand grows, you may eventually build a team. But managing a team means managing schedules and costs. A larger operation can handle more customers, but it also has more expenses. This is where a small cleaning business can begin scaling. More jobs can increase revenue when the business is managed efficiently. One person has limited capacity. A team can serve more customers. Commercial contracts can also create larger recurring opportunities. The key is delivering reliable service. Recurring customers can make income more predictable. That's why customer retention is so valuable. Great reviews can help turn one customer into many. A simple website, phone number, and online presence can help people find you. The easier you are to find, the easier it can be to generate leads. Even simple local advertising can put your service in front of potential customers. But never confuse sales with take-home profit. Smart owners budget for expenses, taxes, and savings. That keeps the business financially healthier. And yes, running a business can become stressful. Good scheduling and organization can reduce that stress. Delegating work can also give the owner more time to manage the business. Over time, a cleaning service can grow from one person into a real company. The biggest opportunity is not one cleaning job, it's building a repeatable system. Focus on customers, pricing, expenses, service quality, and profit. Start small, learn the numbers, and improve step by step. There is no single guaranteed income figure for every cleaning business. Your results depend on location, prices, customers, costs, and business management. So, how much can a cleaning business make in the USA? It depends, but a